USP ka East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM menta ka sngi ka arpo pratarik uyayong ula pentep balakem no yau presiden ka nihusu usandi sotun ha ka bayade bat ka jing shashro jong u professor ka nihu u Dr. Aluk Singh layathu ru ba anyalam ya usandi sha district session court bantian bishar ya usandi sotun lakem hadien ba u Dr. Aluk Singh ula file ya u da ka FIR hagajuk kapor uba Vivek ulaya thuru ba hagabayade bat kajing pha mi no jong ka sarkar pedeng ya kinong Pakistan ki basa hakari ula ong ba omdan kinong Pakistan ki basa ha Shillong lane ha East Khasi Hills Henry ula ong ba katanat pulit kadang pelong ya kajing wat nakikot bu jingkan mau banlap laki don ni em kinong Pakistan ki basong basa ha Shillong Kesorkar pedang kalapha mi no ya baru kinong Pakistan nagari hadien ka jing sha thombor bashir khai hakiriu khendu dangshen ha pahalgam.
Yes, what other SSB is?
Who is the person?
His name is Sandy Soto, President of the
Okay. And whether he will be produced to the court today, sir?
Yes, most likely today.
And what are the charges against him?
Assault, confinement.
Okay. And any other arrest also, or only one?
Law will take its own course. So far, no Pakistani national. We've seen our records, no Pakistani national is residing in Shillong or these castles. But process is on to see if records of anybody has come.
Tourists, no?
Yeah, it's no, as of now, no. We've checked all our CFOPs, there's no Pakistani national.